today's exercise, I'm going to demonstrate how to do a barbell hip thrust. This is a great exercise that engages the glutes, okay? So, when performing this exercise, a couple things that you need. First is a bench, second is a barbell, third is a pad, all right? You need some type of pad that covers up on the barbell. If you don't have a pad, you can always use like a shirt or maybe the blue pads, some type of cushion that's going to rest upon your hips so the barbell isn't giving you any type of pains or bruises onto the hip bone, okay? Now, when it comes to the exercise, first thing we're going to do is go ahead and get into starting position. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and roll the barbell onto my hip. All right, so I had to lift it up just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and move into position. Next is I'm going to go ahead, bring my feet back, and also come up like this. As you can see, what's resting on the pad is my shoulder blades, all right? Now I'm going to use my hands, place it onto the barbell like this, just so it's nice and guided, okay? I want my hips straight, my feet straight, just like this. And now I want to also open up my chin, all right? So when I come down, it's going to look like this. And then I'm going to fully flex the hips all the way up, squeeze the glutes for about 2-3 seconds, and then come back down just like that. All right, then I'm going to come back down nice and slow, roll the barbell off of me, all right? Nice and safe. This is how you do a barbell hip thrust.